Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we are going to be taking a walk through our new 325 Grady-White Freedom. This is a 2024 boat. It is here in stock in Ocean View. As you can see, it's a light blue hull, full hull color. Take a look at the outside. There's a new full windshield. Boat has the new 300s on the back with the integrated lights in the motors. Boat does have underwater lights. Very pretty boat. You can see the sunshade in the back. We'll go inside and we'll take a look. As we come in our 32, you can see it has the aft lounge. It does have the refrigerator with a prep area. Electric companion seat, electric helm seat with the bolsters. It is a joystick boat. It does have a stereo, Yamaha gauges. Up front, we did option it with the table, with the cushions. Very well done. Does have room to go in with the bunk. Looking back, here's your head, sink, rod storage, your mirror. Underside of the hardtop is blue to match the boat. Does have the vent in it, your speakers, your life jacket storage. This is our new 325 Grady-White Freedom. Thank you.